One cool thing I want to point out about the way they're doing this install, it's really right. They've got ladder securement in place. There's many ways to do it. This is one particular product, but the idea is that they have a nice eave here available, so they can clamp right onto the eave and then strap right around the sides of the ladder. It's adjustable, but the point is that it super secures the ladder against the roof. You do not want to have your ladder just tilted against the roof. You want to have some sort of securement like this product or some other version that secures the ladder against the eave.
It's rolling.
Okay, another part of ladder safety and proper practice is to protect the gutters. Because if you tilt a ladder against a gutter, you can imagine you're going to smash it, probably. So there are things like this, where you can put in a gutter protector that gives more strength and actually protects the gutter shape from the pressure of the ladder on it. So a device like this should be a part of your installations always as well. Protect those gutters. And there's a further feature that you should know about. You can insert a pole into the device and actually use that to insert it up into a first story or even a second story gutter before you even put up your first ladder. So you can put it in place and then tip your ladder up and proceed without damaging the gutter. So a super convenient feature.
Hey, thanks for watching the training video using Interplay's simulation-based training program. You can keep watching our solar videos by clicking on the link to your left, or stay up to date on our latest solar snacks by subscribing on your right. To learn more about how the STP provides critical team training and helps you build an onboarding program at your company, please go to interplaylearning.com.